In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Hostinger language. If you've just signed into Hostinger's H-Panel and everything looks unfamiliar because of the language, or you simply prefer using another one, this quick walkthrough will help you switch the interface in a few clicks. First, open your web browser and head to hpanel.hostinger.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in before you can access the dashboard. Once you're in, you'll land on the H-Panel home screen where you can see your services and main navigation. This is the right place to start because the language setting applies to the entire H-Panel experience. Next, look toward the top of the page for your account area. On desktop, you'll see a small profile icon or avatar in the upper corner. On mobile, you might need to tap the menu icon first to reveal the account controls. Click the account icon to open a quick menu that holds your personal and interface preferences. In that menu, find the option labeled Language. It might show your current language beside it, which makes it easy to confirm what the panel is set to right now. Go ahead and click Language to open the list of available options. Hostinger typically provides a range of popular languages, so you can use the dashboard in the one that feels most natural to you. Now, choose the language you want from the list. In most cases, the change applies immediately, and the interface refreshes on its own. You'll notice that menus, button labels, and settings descriptions update right away. This change only affects your H-Panel interface. It won't translate the content of any websites you host or alter your visitors' language settings. If you manage a team, remember that each user can set their own interface language from their own account. That's it. There's no extra save button to press. The selection is stored automatically. If you don't see the change take effect right away, try refreshing the page, and on mobile browsers, you may need to close and reopen the tab. If needed, you can switch back at any time by returning to the same account icon, opening the language menu, and picking a different option. A quick tip: after changing languages, take a moment to revisit key areas like billing or websites to make sure the new labels and terms are clear to you. You've successfully changed your Hostinger language. Thanks for watching, and enjoy navigating your H-Panel in the language that works best for you.